do a science experiment. I have 10 ml of oil and one glass of water and three colors, and today I am going to do water fireworks. Let's start. First, I will mix 3 to 4 drops of these three colors, and I'm adding it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm adding third color. And now I will mix it. See friends, when I will put this into water, what will happen? Now see what happens. What will happen? It will take time for 10 minutes. See red color and see yellow. These are fireworks, friends. Let me mix it again. Mix it, but you can see at the fireworks. You can see three color fireworks: red, blue, and yellow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.